Today, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates to tasks in Jotform Boards. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your projects organized and ensuring everyone stays on track with deadlines. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as accessing your workspace is essential for managing your boards and tasks effectively. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This section houses all the forms you've created and will serve as the starting point for creating your task board. Now browse through your forms and locate the specific form you want to work with. Once you've found it, check the box beside the form name to select it. Next, look toward the top of the page and click on Boards. From the options presented, select Add New Board. Give it a few seconds to load, as Jotform needs a moment to set up your new board environment. Once the board setup page appears, click Next to proceed with the configuration. This will guide you through the initial setup steps. After reviewing any prompts, click Create to finalize and generate your new board. Now you're ready to start adding tasks. In your Jotform board, you'll notice a button labeled Add Task with a plus icon. Click on it to begin creating a new task. Type in a title for your task, something clear and descriptive that reflects what needs to be done. Once you've entered the title, press Enter to confirm it. You'll see your new task appear on the board. To customize this task further, click on the three dotted line beside the task title. This will open up additional options for managing the task details. From the menu that appears, select View Task. This opens a detailed view where you can fine-tune various aspects of your task. In this detailed view, you can customize several important fields. Start by assigning the task to a specific team member by selecting an assignee. Next, set the priority level to indicate how urgent this task is. You can also add relevant tags to help categorize and filter tasks more easily. Most importantly, set the due date by clicking on the date field and choosing the appropriate deadline. This ensures everyone knows exactly when the task needs to be completed. If your task requires additional context, you can add attachments such as files or images that provide more information. There's also a description field where you can add detailed instructions or notes about what the task involves. These extra details can be invaluable for keeping everyone aligned and informed. Once you've finished entering all the necessary information, simply click outside the task box to save your work. All your changes will be automatically preserved, and your task is now fully configured with a clear due date and all relevant details. You've successfully added due dates to your tasks in Jotform Boards, making it much easier to manage deadlines and keep your projects moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.